Alright, so let's do this problem. Find the coordinate x, y where the angle 300 degree terminate in. So we're going to use a unit circle on top, but as you know, you will not be given the filled out unit circle to the quiz. So I'm just kind of trying to explain you the thinking process that you should have. Alright, so first question you should ask is, alright, when I hear the angle 300 degree, first question, which quadrant does that angle terminate? Okay, alright, when I hear the number 300 in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, where would that be? Do you guys kind of see that 300 is 360 minus 60 degree? I mean, it's a big number, so I know it has to be probably fourth quadrant, but here's the reasoning why. It has to be 360 minus 60. All right, why did I come up with those numbers? If you remember your unit circle, there are characteristic of angles in degree. It's either going to be 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, or 360 minus theta. For me, this problem fits more of 360 minus theta. So I'm trying to think, okay, 360 minus what gives me 300? It's going to be 60. So therefore, 60 is going to be my reference angle. Okay, so this is in the fourth quadrant. All right, what are the signs of your coordinate in the fourth quadrant? Fourth quadrant is right here. That's going to have a positive x and negative y. That's back from Algebra 1. All right, next question you should ask is, what is the coordinate of the reference angle? All right, when I was talking about this, I said that reference angle is 60 degree. So you should be thinking, all right, what is the coordinate, x comma y, that goes with the 60 degree? Please, please, please remember your first quadrant of the unit circle. All right, where is the 60 degree? Let me just quickly sketch it. 60 degree on the first quadrant, it's the one on the top one. So since it's on the top one, thinking cap, it's going to be half comma square root of 3 over 2. As you can see right here, 60 degree one, half comma square root of 3 over 2. So you should know all of this. So I write it down, half comma square root of 3 over 2. Are we done? No, I need to move those signs with me. So x is positive, y is negative, so I put negative, and that is my answer. Okay, let's do one more. Find the coordinate x comma y where angle 7 6 pi terminated. 7 6 pi. All right, first quadrant. Which quadrant? Please look at the relationship. My numerator is 1 bigger than the denominator. Why? 7 is 1 bigger than 6. So, going back to my unit circle, which quadrant gives me such characteristic? Your numerator is denominator plus 1. It's going to be right here. Third quadrant. Third quadrant. What is the sign x comma y of the coordinates in the third quadrant? Negative x, negative y. Next, coordinate of the reference angle. What would be your reference angle? This one can be a little tricky, but not really. All right, look at your denominator. Your denominator is 6. All right, refer back to your first quadrant unit circle. Which one has a denominator of 6? It's the one in the bottom, the 30 degree one. What's the coordinate? Square root of 3 over 2 and half. So combine it together, it's going to be negative square root of 3 over 2, negative half as the answer. Let's double check whether that was correct or not. As you can see right here, yes. So pi, when denominator is 6, that's a 30 degree. There's the coordinate, and I use that, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's how you do. I think these are like phase 2 type of question on your quiz. And I think that's all you need to know for quiz next week, which is going to be, I don't know the date. Anyhow, I will make more video later explaining you how to find the trig value on your unit circle. All right, good luck at your studying. Bye.